Hello everybody, we're the Solar Sun Foundation and we're putting out a new product with solar panels.
Our new product is a solar vehicle. It is run off by 100% clean energy and we use electricity as a backup. The solar panels are on top of the car, so it absorbs the energy from the sun.
All right, and the car is going to cost around $68,000. That's just the estimate, but this is going to be everything you need to know about solar panels so you can understand your car a little bit better. There you go.
Solar panels have a really low net energy yield because they require a lot of energy in order for them to work. And solar panels are actually a lot cheaper than regular energy from coal. They're around only $50 per megawatt hour, while energy from coal is $100 per megawatt hour. And the reason they're so much cheaper is because they don't last as long. Like a solar panel can last up to like 25 years and after that it won't produce energy anymore, while energy from coal lasts a lot longer. But a lot of the price from solar power energy comes from the high energy requirements in the production of solar panels.
This is how it works. The photons from the sun hit the panel and knock the electrons loose and go on a positive and negative sides of the circuit. The electrons then flow through the circuit, creating electricity. The more panels you have, the more energy you can generate. The average efficiency is 20%, meaning that's how much energy it can generate from the sun. But the thermodynamic energy is 86%, meaning that the energy that isn't used, it turns into heat, and you can also use that as well. And it has no waste or emissions because it's all clean energy. And solar energy produces clean, renewable energy, and it doesn't require any digging, extraction, or transportation. There you go.
All right, so now we'll be talking about the environmental impact, and to begin, we'll be talking about our human impact. To begin, it is very easy to install and very easy to clean because Ring makes it easier to clean off all the dirt and other materials that is on it. And also we feel very good that we're using something very good for our environment and that is extremely sustainable. But some cons that we are currently working on is that it does have a low net energy yield, which we did speak about before in the beginning, but we do have scientists currently working on it. And another thing is that it can disrupt certain ecosystems because we do have to take a large portion of land. But again, we are working on that as well. And now we will be talking about the health impact. It has no pollutants and no harmful chemicals, which means that it won't hurt the environment. And the climate impact is that we do use solar energy systems to power plants, and they, again, do not produce any air pollution, water pollution, or even greenhouse gases. Using solar energy does replace and reduces the other use of energy sources that have larger and harmful effects to our environment, such as biodiesel and just other types of harmful ways that do harm our environment, because they do have to go into our earth and extract harmful chemicals that do produce, again, like harmful gases.
All right, so now I'm going to be talking about the economy and how it's going to affect your money. So solar panels today, they're very expensive. Some can cost over $260,000, but with new technology advancing, it's going to decrease that price, so it's going to be more affordable for you. Solar panels can also help you out long-term and save you money long-term aside from using gas and all that. It's approximately over 8 years, you can save at least $30,000 with solar panels. And solar panels are going to create new jobs for people like technicians who can fix these solar panels and everything else, so it's going to help the economy grow immensely. Politically, Americans support solar panels overwhelmingly, over 90%, and so both political parties support it. Democrats, Republicans, and Independents all support the use of solar panels. Culturally, there are some drawbacks to using solar panels. Many Native American reserves try to keep their lifestyle the same, so they're not going to be using solar panels and all that. And then many fossil fuel industries that make billions and billions of dollars are going to keep pushing and lobbying politicians to keep the use of fossil fuels going. So it's going to be tough to beat them out, but we do it.
All right, as you can see, we are an efficient company and we are currently looking for more ways to promote clean energy to produce a healthier lifestyle. And again, the car is just one way in which we are looking for clean energy to produce in our environment.
Please visit our website at www.solarsunfoundation.org to learn more about solar energy.
And you can visit any of our locations around the country to buy yourself a nice new vehicle, whether it be a sedan or an SUV.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right.